Oh my gosh! Anong ginagawa mo dito? Bakit may ngipin factory?
I lose thousands of teeth, and they grow back.
Sharks constantly replace their teeth.
HOY, nasa kabilang tangka. I smell chips.
Sharks have an extremely strong sense of smell. Distance is just a detail. Nakaka-detect ako ng electrical signals.
Wi-Fi ng dagat?
Ang mga pating ay nakaka-sense ng maliliit na electric signals mula sa ibang hayop. Some sharks are huge, some are smaller than your arm.
Okay.
Unexpected plot twist. Why does everyone think I'm scary?
Kasi ang dami mong ngipin?
Not all sharks are dangerous to humans.
Okay, Flex King.
Different skills, different design.
Be sharp. Be strong.
Mas peaceful kung tahimik ka. Sorry naman. Ang ganda pala ng view.